Hey guys, MVHD here, and today I've got 7 packs. Let me get. Okay. Where do my packs go for this? For my squad battles? Well, today, it's not gonna be TV recorded because, it's gonna take too long to upload, and I haven't uploaded for a week now. But, because I've been a bit sick. But, right now, I am about to open my squad battles packs. I got to gold 1 on it, and I got to gold 1, so I should be getting 2 jumbos. I get my weekly 2 jumbos, and then I got a foot draft, and I got 1 jumbo and 1 premium from that. So, just connecting to the servers. And yeah. Okay. See if my squad battles packs have come yet. Right now it's 10 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, Ronaldo's just won the Ballon d'Or. Liverpool tied with Everton 1-1. It's alright, but okay, where is my packs? Okay, well, let's just skip them for now. We'll open these ones. So, premium gold first. Got a flashy in the premium. Who will it be? Is it Ibra? Oh my gosh, I thought it was Ibra. No, it's Forsberg from RB Leipzig. Anyone else? No. Okay. Quick sell that. Okay. On to my other jumbo. I got 3 jumbos here, and I'm gonna get another 2 after, and I think another pack that I don't know. Oh, not even a flashy. So, oh my god, it's like 80 rated here. Oh, it's Ivanovic. Oh, I thought it was another guy from the Bundesliga. It's alright for a free pack, I guess. But I really want a team in the group stage or an inform. So let's see. Not even a flashy again. I'm just gonna skip it. Not even a flashy. God. Oh, loan pack. It's alright. And that's a pretty nice ball. Out of that ball. Let's open my loan pack I just got. See what I get in this. Flashy, obviously. You reckon it might be a walkout? Benzema, yeah. Walkie. Don't care though. I've had enough walkouts in this game. Oh god. Guys, I recommend getting some of the Path to Glory cards if the person's doing really well in real life. Because then they'll get, if they get an inform, the Path to Glory card will also get informed, same with the ones to watch, but another non-flashy. Oh my god, Kovacic. Sell for like 1k. Musonda. I'm getting quite a few gold packs in here. 36 coins. Okay, we won't open this loan pack yet, but there we go. My rewards. Gold 1. 1 premium gold players pack, 2 jumbo packs, and 12,400 coins. Let's do this. Let's open these babies. Jumbo premium. Come on, let's get a flashy in this. Please be a flashy. No. Just give me a flashy. Oh my god, bravo. I already got him. I'm pretty sure. Untradeable one. This one's tradable though. Unless I gave... Yeah, I've already got him. Send this one to transfer list. I don't really want to discard him. But okay, so here's one second last pack. Nodding that I can actually keep. Not a flashy. Disappointed with these jumbos. My Tillemans is 57 pace on him. Or something like that. 53, even worse. Premium gold players packs. Still a leave the room pack. Muller, give me luck. Oh. You see, I'm out of the room. Okay, let's go back in. Oh my god. Are you kidding? The best player is Hector. Jesus. Naom, John Terry, Tyson, Davies, Dahor, Tete. And then let's just open my lone team of the week pack. Oh, why can't it be Coutinho? Yeah, this guy, I got his Path to Glory card, but I'm selling it right now. Bought it for 30k and I'm selling it for 38. Let's see my transfer list. I'm trying to sell these two still. Let's get Bravo, sell them for 750. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and share with your friends and enjoy. And I'll see you in the next one's. Peace.